Hello everyone. I hope you are feeling good, fine, and relaxed because we have our English class. Okay, just a reminder before I start, we are in second intermediate grade. In the first semester, our subject is English. Our lesson today is to a holiday fun, grammar and pronunciation. Prepare and presented by Muhammad Fallat, and that's me. Let's start, everybody. We will learn today what we are going to learn. We are going to practice in using the past simple. We are going to practice the in pronunciation, consonant cluster. We are going to talk about the past event. It's very important, everybody, to talk about the past event. Why we are talking about the past? Because it will affect our present and future, and we can share our experience of traveling and having, in our holiday, okay, with our friends, families, and everybody. Okay, let's start. This is a warming up. We have a story. We have a beautiful story. We need to know the tense and we are want to underline the verbs. So please read with me and we are going to underline all the verbs. Okay? One night I was with my friends out and suddenly we heard a terrible scream. I thought that a child cried. I told my friends we had to help it. Okay, again, please underline or write down, pick up paper, write down the verb. One night I was with my friends out and suddenly we heard a terrible scream. I thought that a child cried. I told my friends we had to help it. Okay, let's see. Give you a moment first. Let's see the verbs. Okay. One night I was the verb, with my friends out, and suddenly we heard a terrible scream. I thought, I thought, the regular verb, thought, that a child cried. I told my friends we had to help it. So these are the verbs. Okay, let's complete. We took big stones and I took a long stick. We were afraid, but we went after the scream. I held the big stick and I was ready to use it. When we came closer, we saw two cats fighting. Okay, let's do it again. Please underline the verb or write it down. We took big stones and I took a long stick. We were afraid, but we went after the scream. I held the big stick. I was I was ready to use it. When we came closer, we saw two cats fighting. So let's see the verbs. Uh-huh. We took is a verb, big stones, and I took is another verb, a long stick. We were good and we went. Okay? After the scream, I held the big stick and I was ready to use it. When we came closer, we saw two cats fighting. So these are the verbs. Okay, grammar the past simple. Past simple, something happened in the past and stay there. There's the past, there's the present, the future. The present is now. The past something happened, okay, in the past, and future something will happen in the future. Okay, guys, the past something happened in the past and stayed in the past. Okay, let's take some example. Past simple, affirmative. As we said before, affirmative, it means the sentence says yes. Number one, I visited my grandparents yesterday. Okay, yesterday I visited my grandparents. Okay, yesterday I visited my grandparents. The boys played football last Friday. Last Friday, the boys played football. Okay, Linda went to the party last week. Last week. Okay, guys, went to the party last week. Linda went. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. The negative now. Now we are talking about the negative. Negative, it means the sentence says no. Okay? I want to say no in the past simple. I have a sentence I want to say no. Okay, what should I say? Okay, let's hear. I didn't visit my grandparents yesterday. The boys didn't play football last Friday. Linda didn't go to the party last week. Okay, guys? Didn't. We use didn't and the verb in the pace form. Okay, guys? Pace form. Didn't visit. Let's go back. I want you to see, please. I visited my grandparents. Here, I didn't visit. I didn't visit. The boys didn't play. Didn't with the past form. Didn't with the past form. Go. Okay, guys? Okay, and this is the time expression that we will take now. Okay, let's go ahead. These are the questions. If you want to ask a question using the past simple, what we should do. Okay, did. We start with did you visit your grandparents yesterday? This is a yes or no question, guys. Don't forget that. Did the boys play football last Friday? Did Linda go to the party last week? So did. We start with did. Linda go, the past form. Did the boys play, the past form? Did you visit, the past form? Okay, so we have these yes or no questions. So yes or no, they didn't. Okay, let's go ahead. Regular verbs, the past form and the past simple. Okay, regular. Regular, it means, I want you to see, please, the verb like play. I want you to look. Please focus with me. Okay. The form of the verb didn't change. So play, play, and ed. Okay? This is regular. Okay, guys? You have to know. Regular, something regular. Verbs, regular verbs, the form of the verb didn't change. So play and play, we add something. Okay, the plate. Visit, visit, we add something ed. Clean, the same thing. Clean, we add something ed. Walk, walked, we add something ed. Stay, stayed, ed. Okay, travel, traveled, double L, ed. But at the end is ed, guys. Okay, and we have the base of the base form of the verb. Okay, that's why we call it regular. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is the opposite, the irregular. Irregular verbs, it means we change the form of the verb. Irregular verb, like be, was, and were. Verb to be is, or am. We change it is, am, was, and are, we, were. Are, were. Okay. Do, did. Okay. Change. Go, went. Wow, this is a whole different word. Go, went. Come, came. Eat, ate. Get, got. Okay, this is the form of the verb. This is the change that happened. That's why we call it irregular. Okay, irregular verb. The form of the verb change. You have to memorize it, everybody. It's very important. Let's go ahead. The time expression. Time expression. Very important. It's the key of the sentence that we know that we are talking about the past. In 1981, last night, 3 months ago, 2 days ago, last week, yesterday. These are the time expression of the past simple. Okay, memorize it, please. Put it in your head. Okay, these are the sentences. This is the key word that tell us that the sentence is talking about the past. Okay, question. We have some question. You are wondering, where did you go last weekend? I'm asking you, where did you go last weekend? Pick up any place you want. Last weekend, if you remember, where did you go? You can say to the mall, to my grandparents' house, to the football match. It's up to you. What did you do there? What did you do there? Did go. The answer have to I went, okay? Question number one, I went. What did and do there? I, for example, played football. I played PS4. It's up to you. Okay, the third question. Did you have a good time? Did, when you start the yes or no question, yes I did or no I didn't. It's up to you. Okay? Good, good, good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shoes. I go or went shopping last week. Last week, this is a time expression. So I use what? Go or went. Give you a moment. We use last week. This is the key word. Last week. We use exactly went. Yes. Yes. Because it's in the past. How do I know the past? Last week. Okay? Tell us that it's in the past. And the past tense of go is went. Okay, my daughters eat or ate pizza 2 days ago. What do you think? Eat and ate 2 days ago. Here's the two daughters. 2 days ago. Eat and ate. Give you a moment. The answer is ate. This is the past tense of eat, ate, because 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Okay, good, good. Okay, let's listen. Now it's pronunciation. Listen and repeat, please, the words. We are going to listen. Please listen carefully.
4. Pronunciation. A. Look at the words below containing consonant clusters. Listen and repeat. Problem. Place. Brush. Spend. Clean. Drink. Skirt. Dark. Friendly.
Okay. We just listen. And please, I hope you repeat with the words. This is a consonant cluster. Problem. Okay, everyone. The speaking time. Think of your last holiday. Okay, it's a conversation between me and you. Okay, I will be the one who asks question. Please try hard to answer my question. When did you last go on holiday? When? Okay, on 16th of July. This is her answer. What's your answer? Okay. Okay, this is the next question. Please try to practice with your friends. Okay? Speak with them in English. Pick up the phone, speak with your friend in English, ask him about the last holiday. It's very important practice. Where did you go? Where? I'm asking about what? When I ask about where, about the place, where did you go? The answer, I went to London. I went to London. This is her answer. What's your answer? Okay, let's go to the next question. Did you go sightseeing? Did you go sightseeing? Did you go sightseeing? Sight. Of course I did. Of course I did. This is the point. What did you see? What did you see? What did you see? I'm always talking about the past. What did you see? Please answer the question. I visited many museums. Okay? Visited many museums. The Hyde Park and London Eye. Very good, very nice places. Okay, this is her answer. What's yours? Let's go to the next question. What did you buy? What did you buy? Let's go. I bought. Okay, I bought. This is the past tense of buy. I bought some souvenirs. Okay, souvenir gift that represents the place that you traveled to. Okay, let's go to the next question. Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? To have fun? Did you enjoy it? What did it? Give me your answer. Give me your answer. Okay. Sure I did. Sure I did. Is her answer. Okay. This exercise, everyone. We want to do this. Please take out the paper. I need you to answer this question. Blank. You blank. Like. This is the verb that we want to use. The food. Use the past tense. This is a question, everyone. We use a question. So, how we use the past tense in question? If you remembered, we already took this. Okay? Please answer the question. Here and here. We use the verb. Okay? We use the verb. This is the verb. Okay, yes, it, be is the verb. Great. This is the verb. What we use in the past, guys and girls. 2. Last summer, we blank go camping. Last summer. Last summer. Okay, this is the verb. Camping. Number 3. Matt and Fred blank not buy a bike. Not buy a bike. This is the negative. Okay? Don't forget that. They blank. Okay? Let's see the answers. Did. We use did. You like. Okay? The food. Did. The past. Like. Did. Like. We didn't do liked. Did. Okay, guys? Did for the question and like. Good. Yes, it was. This is the past tense. The verb be was. because we use it is, it was. Okay, guys? It is, it was. But they were, we were. Okay, the past tense of are and is, was. Last summer we went. Went is the past tense of go. This irregular verb, if you remember. Irregular verb, go, went. Matt and Fred didn't. Okay, didn't buy. Okay, this is the base form, guys. If we use did or didn't, we use the base form. Don't use the past because it's ready. The helping verb is the past. Okay, didn't buy a bike. They bought. Okay, they bought. The past tense of buy, bought a skateboard. Okay, if you get it right, good. If you get it wrong, do it again. We don't have problems doing wrong. The point of doing wrong is do it right again. Okay? This is the summary of what we took. Regular verb formed by adding ed, as I said before, and irregular verb formed in a different way. Take, took, start, started. This is the ed. Okay, everyone. This is the last thing that we took in the past tense. Just remember, we have to talk in the past. We can't change the past, but we can use the past to make ourselves better tomorrow.